I sat down this morning to start editing some videos, sorting out some of the videos I took at Farnborough on Monday, and I'm going to blame the good people at Pipistrel for destroying my morning. It's their fault, it's nothing to do with me. They have released on GitHub a repository, which I shall read from it, of the UNIFIER19 C7A-HARW aircraft, the Simulink model and X-Plane 11 model for it. The simulator was developed to evaluate flight dynamics and control laws for distributed electric propulsion aircraft. And of course, I had to connect it up to Mission Planner, Ardupilot, and start tuning it software in the loop just for fun. Well done, Pipistrel. It's the sort of thing that keeps conversations going, isn't it? And gets people thinking, and that's always good in our world, isn't it? Here's the thing. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I don't know if it's in shot in what I've done, but this is what it looks like, and this is what I'll play with. So that's that distributed propulsion, and I'm flying around in Lesotho because that's where some really tricky, let's see if it'll do a roll, that's where some really tricky airfields are. Sort of, maybe I should add more power then, very high. What if it's going to break up? We'll find out shortly, won't we? Alright, there we are. I better actually get back to some real work. I'll leave a link to the GitHub here if you're the sort of person interested in this sort of thing. And once again, well done, Pipistrel. Top notch, top job. Cheers for now, everybody.